how to log into the LinkedIn app on iPad. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log into the LinkedIn app on your iPad, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to log into the LinkedIn application on your iPad, it's actually quite very simple. All you have to do is make sure to go ahead and then basically first of all launch the LinkedIn application that you can find here. And once you launch the LinkedIn application that you can find here, you should be able to go on about seeing some of the details. Now if you don't have an account, then of course you can choose to create an account, but if you already have an account, it will take you to this page where you can manually enter your email, phone or password to log in. Or just in case your LinkedIn account is also linked with your Apple ID, your Google ID, or maybe with a one-time link, depending on whatever it is, you can log in using those. Now assuming you have your email and password, make sure to enter your email address or your phone number in this box. On the second box, make sure to enter the password. Now if you don't know what password you have typed in, such as let's say whatever, you can tap the show option right here in order to see your password. If you happen to forget your password, you can tap the forgot password option that you can find here, or you can tap the sign in option to successfully log into your LinkedIn account. This way you can log into LinkedIn application on iPad. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.